Bangladeshi students thronged an education fair in Dhaka to explore prospects of studying in Indian universities. Career Fair, the Indian Education Fair 2014, a two-day event began in Dhaka on August 8 at the Ruposhi Bangla Hotel.
So I think so many universities coming under one umbrella and presenting their products and their opportunities to the students of Bangladesh, I think it's a very laudable initiative. From the Government of India and from the High Commission, we encourage students coming and studying in India because there is a lot of similarity in the culture and in the ethos of both India and Bangladesh. So students from Bangladesh feel very comfortable in India. They feel it as if it is their second home.
India has been at the forefront of providing quality education facilities and thus creating a vast pool of talent for the country. The situation has got better with the new knowledge-driven technology with which the demand for education has increased manifold. Today, India is in great position to provide high-quality English language-based education, training and skill development to Bangladeshi citizens in India. Keeping this in mind, students and parents throng the stalls to know about the top Indian universities, their functioning and admission procedures.
এখানে এসে আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে যে এত বড় বড় ইউনিভার্সিটি এখানে আছে। আমি আগে জানতামও না যে ইন্ডিয়ায় এত ভালো ভালো ইউনিভার্সিটিগুলো আছে। তো এখানে এসে জানতে পারছি এবং এখান সময় জানতে পারছি যে অ্যাকোমোডেশন প্লাস কস্টিংটা জানতে পারছি। এটা নিয়ে এটা আমার ভবিষ্যৎ জীবনে একটা ভালো ইউনিভার্সিটিতে পড়ার জন্য একটা সুযোগ করে দিয়েছে।
Correspondent Rafiq from Dhaka for ANI.